The outbreak of war found Australia with few military assets beyond the tradition and experience of the first AIF. To the second AIF in October 1939 came the raw material of an army. Old diggers who had forgotten much, youngsters who knew nothing of war. Overnight they all become soldiers, in garb at least, and with the dawn a new army rises. It can be clothed and housed, and it can be fed, but there are barely enough rifles to go round. Training begins by working out civilian softness, and sergeant majors hammer in the foundations of army discipline. Shuffling feet learn to move in step, in swinging columns, in battalions. In January 1940, the streets of Sydney throb again to the tramp of marching feet. The easygoing civilians of yesterday are on the road to becoming the trained soldiers of tomorrow. There's purpose in their step and power in the swing of their arms. A river of men, and they're headed for the sea. The vanguard of the 6th Division sails, little knowing what the next 4 years will bring.